of Design for Serenity with your grand reveal in Coronado. This project, we're very close to the base. This project took 3 days, about $4,000 in materials, and my crew of 4, and then my exorbitant fee. So it wasn't cheap, but what an incredible transformation from the ugly grass that was here since the 50s or 60s. And now we have this beautiful, low maintenance, succulent tapestry. And I haven't got to do a soft tapestry in a minute, so this one was really, really fun for me. We've got this on subterranean drip irrigation set to go off once a week for just a few minutes. We're getting into the cooler season of the year. We're literally a block and a half away from the ocean. So I know that all of these plants are going to do splendidly. We've got 2 sides, but I didn't worry about going matchy-matchy at all. I mean, I have the same boulders, top dressing, and accent rock on each side. But the plants, some are the same, some are different. I found this St. Francis of Assisi statue in the back, so I incorporated that into the design. We used some black, chunky lava rock, which I feel like it's very tropical. This, you know, some of the tenants at this apartment complex were concerned that, this was going to look very deserty, and it doesn't. It actually looks really, really tropical. So remember that. If you live in a coastal environment, you can have a very tropical landscape on a very low water budget. This one was super fun. I will be back in about a year to do maintenance. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, reporting from Coronado with Team DFS and your grand reveal.